Today we are looking at the Samsung WF70F5E2W2X Washing Machine in graphite. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. With an outstanding A+ rating for energy efficiency and a 5-year guarantee, the graphite Samsung WF70F5E2W2X washing machine offers excellent laundry care for family homes. All you need, boasting a 7 kg load capacity. You can be sure that the Samsung WF70F5E2W2X will have enough room to accommodate your family's laundry, with the minimum number of loads. A powerful 1,200 revolutions per minute maximum spin speed and A-graded wash performance ensures your laundry is thoroughly cleaned and cared for. Energy efficiency. The Samsung WF70F5E2W2X has an impressive A+ rating for energy efficiency thanks to the ecobubble technology, which froths the detergent with air and water before the cycle starts, generating small bubbles which penetrate fabrics more rapidly. The result is a cool wash which is as effective as a warm wash, saving you up to 70% on energy when compared to a less efficient washing machine. What's more, you can remove everyday stains such as wine and grass with the Stain Away feature, which uses ecobubble technology to gently and effectively clean clothes. Special programs. The Samsung WF70F5E2W2X washing machine hosts 16 washing programs, allowing the selection of the most appropriate option to suit each load. If you're short on time, the quick wash takes just 15 minutes, and for sensitive skin, the baby care program will minimize detergent residues in fabric. Effortless control. The modern LED display and easy-to-use dial control helps you to stay on top of your laundry, alongside a time countdown and a 19-hour delay start function. With the intuitive Smart Check function, you can diagnose and solve problems with your machine using your smartphone, which guides you through fixing your Samsung washing machine. Make light work of laundry with the modern Samsung WF70F5E2W2X washing machine. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.